Hello kids! Today we are going to see how to draw and color a duck using number 2 and curves. Come, let's start. First draw curves like number 2 and close that curve by alphabet C, and from small c draw another big C. Now from the neck draw a sharp edge oval, and again from that oval draw another sharp curve in a triangle shape. Draw 2 parallel curves. Draw another set of parallel curves. Now draw mouth by using closed up and downward curves. Draw an eye by using circle. Now draw a set of curves inside and outside an oval. At last, draw water using zigzag curves. Let's start coloring. Yellow color. Green color. Brown color. Peach or sandal color. Golden color. Blue color. Black color. Now give the boundary using black color. That's it. See, it's very simple. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw and color your Hello Kitty. See you.